Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is September 23rd, 2018, and we're back down here in the pepper patch. And we're going to be harvesting peppers today. These are some hot peppers here. They are starting to turn. They're turning an orange color. And then we have the red cayenne peppers here. They're loaded. So I have my pruners here. And my bag, we're going to be keeping the hot peppers separate from the sweet peppers. And some of the white sweet peppers there. So I'll show you the harvest then, and we'll be back. So we have some of the purple peppers here. These were white. They're starting to actually turn purple. So we're going to let these turn the whole way. Because we're in September, we're letting the peppers turn now. And you can see over here, here's the white ones. The plants are still actually blooming. So, let's go through here. I have the peppers here. They actually fell into the aisles now, so it's going to be a little harder for me to get through. But this is a pretty tall pepper plant, this one here. So, I wanted to come back here with a quick thing. I've noticed even the sweet banana peppers, they seem to be really high yielding as well. So, there's so many blossoms on these, and they're still coming on. The bees are down here pollinating them. That's a good thing. So I'm letting the sweet peppers on to turn colors. You can't see that one, sorry about that. But these plants are loaded with peppers. So a lot of green ones on, not too many are turning yet. So letting them on to let them turn. Found some that were kind of like half turned and half not. So I'm letting those go. You see, this is one of the sweet banana peppers here. It didn't turn yet. There is one that did turn down here. Let me get that one real quick. See it down here. Get down to the plants there. One of the sweet bananas here. These here, you can see this plant here. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can see it on there. So many beautiful peppers hanging on. Okay, so we're done with the harvest for now. There's still more down there turning. They're loaded with green peppers. Some of the green peppers we did take off. The ones that didn't turn yet, because the stalks are getting that heavy that it actually busted the plants down. It busted the branches on the plants. So we had to take those off. This one here, you can see this pepper here. This one was partially turning. We were having an issue where some of them, they're not turning yet, but they're rotting. So we have to really watch that. And then this one here had something go in it, so we took this one here off. I'll show you the hot peppers here real quick. So these are the hot peppers here. These are the cayennes. The hot banana peppers, they are just starting to turn. So we left those go. And my dad actually found a recipe for making hot pepper spread for like hoagies and stuff like that. So we've been using these to make the hot pepper spread. And it's not something that I eat, but from what I'm told, it has a really good flavor. So we're going to continue to keep checking on the peppers. We're going to get the ones off that are turning. We don't want them to rot. When they start turning, you're really going to have to watch them and keep checking them to make sure that they're not rotting and to make sure that nothing gets into them and ruins them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. I did a complete playlist on my channel for how I started my peppers from seed to when I transplanted them, what I fed them. So if you want to go check that out, if you haven't already, that's on there. So I just wanted to tell you about that in case you didn't know about it. So talk to you later. Bye.